is Mr. Lacan Bautista. His technical education provides a strong foundation in analytical and systemic thinking with over 20 years of experience in the academy combined with consultancy in business. He has effectively executed strategies and enhanced operational efficiencies. His focus now is to collaborate and strategical poster balance to achieve successful and fulfilled lives. Ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor for me na ipakilala po sa inyo Organo Philippines General Manager, no other than Mr. Lacan Bautista.
Thank you. So, before I start, I'll just request, you guys can record this, you guys can use it internally, but I prepared this exclusive for Guerrilla Nights. So, bawal po itong i-post, hindi nyo pwedeng ipakita sa iba, para sa inyo to. So, let me start. So, for me, a guerrilla knight knows how to blend medieval valor with unconventional tactics. Yun yung guerrilla knights. There is a degree of preparation before heading into battle. The author Sun Tzu said it well. If you know the enemy and you know thyself, you will need not fear the result of 100 battles. So, this is 8 types of clients. The marketing, the businesses have not changed. Landscapes are. Ang problema, hindi natin naintindihan yung sarili natin. Hindi rin natin naintindihan yung kausap natin. Bakit, let's just say, bakit para kay Joey, gumagana yung kausap niya, yung kapwa driver niya, pero pag kayong kumausap sa isang jeepney driver, parang may disconnect. Diba? Kasi, kilala niya yung sarili niya, kilala rin niya yung kausap niya. It's the same for Joel. For Joel, when he talks to businessmen, because he's a businessman. So, it's important to know that there are 8 types of clients. I'm adopting this from a book that's titled 8 Types of Leaders. Every leader should know. Next. Yeah. So, type 1. The ruler, the conqueror, the destroyer. Ito yung mga nakakasalubong nyo o mga taong malakas ang dating. Hindi dahil mayabang sila, pero dahil yun yung confidence level na dala nila sa lamesa. Every time masasalubong mo sila, meron silang conviction, meron tayong ganyan. Akala natin that born na leader, hindi. Pwedeng develop to as a leader. So ang strengths niyan, willful, finish what they start, pioneers and risk takers. Look inside yourself. Maybe you have some of the traits. Pwedeng may willful ka, malakas ang loob. Pero baka hindi ka finisher. So baka hindi ikaw yung type ng taong to. Ganon din yung kausap nyo. If you know that they are like this, the approach is a little different. Kailangan malakas din ang dating mo. Hindi pwedeng yung ikaw, ay opo sir, ay opo, ay opo. Hindi yan makikinig sa'yo. So this is why it's important to know these 8 types. Weakness, pwedeng abusado, pwedeng stubborn, pwedeng mayabang. So, if you talk to somebody, you will know that they are like this. Next. Type 2 is the lover, the wise, or the preserver. Ito yung medyo dedicated sila. Like, most of us probably have our families. Mapapansin nyo, priority nila yun. So, very charismatic, friendly, and emotionally sensitive. So, hindi pwedeng malakas ang dating mo kung medyo sensitive ang kausap mo. So, huwag na kayong magtaka that yung para kay Pedro, hindi pwede para kay Juan. Di ba? So, sometimes, very emotional, there's a lack of willpower and over-preservation. Ito yung medyo of the 8 types, ito yung medyo magkasalungat. So you cannot have a Moses with a Mother Teresa. Diba? Ito yung medyo malakas na malakas, very powerful, and ito yung medyo weak and shy. But their strength is very charismatic. Could you imagine kung yung HR mo is type 1, yung parang type of leader na type 1, versus ang HR mo is isang type 2. Kung type 1, konting mali ng empleyado, tanggal. Yung type 2, nagkamali ang empleyado, pag-usapan muna natin. Tignan natin yung underlying. Right? Next. Type 3, entrepreneur, philosopher, builder. The fact that you're here in this event as a guerrilla night, meron kayong type na to. Meron na kayong entrepreneurial spirit within you. Look at the strengths. Mental creativity and adaptability. The changing landscape, kaya nyo mag-adapt. Strong business sense and executive skills. Kung hindi nyo pa na-develop, that's something you're trying to develop. That's why you have co-leaders with you. Negotiator and communicator. You know very well, in this line of business, if you do not communicate, you do not sell. Kung tumahimik ka sa isang sulok ng lamesa, wala kang kinausap, wala kang mabibenta. Now, weakness, and don't overpower yourself with this, overindulgence, baka masyado na kayong obsessed, nakakalimutan nyo na yung balance sa ibang bagay, excessive materialism, very controlling and manipulative. Okay? Yung competitive, okay tayo competition at a certain level. Mind you, strengths can be weaknesses, weaknesses can be strengths. So, just look for that perfect balance. Now, next, type 4. This is the leader, the artist, entertainer. So, we're looking at Miss Jaira here. She's fixing something. Not all of us will be able to do what she does. So, yan yung mga mas passionate, emotionally charged. Yan yung nag-lecture ka na, ba't hindi pa rin niya makuha? Pero sa loob-loob niya, iniisip niya paano kaya yung Canva na gagawin ko. Maganda ba to sa Instagram? Diba nagtataka kayo, bakit yung iba ang galing mag-Instagram post? Pareho naman yung background namin. Diba? Nasa hawak ba ng camera? Hindi naman porket maganda yung phone niya. Mas maganda di ba? So, there are people like this. So, even the approach is a little different. Well, weakness, lack of organization, lack of one-pointedness and focus, moodiness, and unpredictability. So you have to understand that sometimes, yung kausap natin actually is nandito sa line na to. Medyo may artist, pagka-artist siya. So makikita nyo, kahit sa mga damit natin, sa pagporma, meron parehong ipasuot mo sa kanila, iba yung pagsuot ng bawat isa. So we have this, type 4. Next, type 5, is the scientist, tech, innovator. Some of us finished very technical courses. Some of us finished, di ba, medyo rigid, medyo talagang diretso, ganun mag-isip, very linear. So, concrete and objective. Pag sa kanila mo pinaupo ang isang computation, nakukuha nila. Bakit yung marketing natin, yung marketing objectives natin, how to earn 7 ways, bakit itong mga to naintindihan nila? Bakit yung iba, basta nakikita ko, okay na ako. So you have to understand that sometimes our brains are just wired differently. That's why we have doctors, we have lawyers, we have engineers. Well, the other downside, just like yung type 1 natin na leader, conqueror, destroyer, may lack of emotions. So yun, imagine niyo rin, pag ito ang naging HR nyo, baka ubos na yung empleyado, wala man lang na-solve. Diba? Kasi hindi niya makuha. So, when you guys discuss certain business things with other people, don't wonder why they do not get it right away. Kasi baka magkaiba kayo ng wavelength. So, it's important, again, in my opening statement, learn to know thyself and know thy enemy, well, know thy client, so that alam mo kung paano mo siya kakausapin. Alam mo ng artist yung tao, dalhin mo sa magandang cake shop, Tila Jaira. Diba? Pakainin mo ng magandang cake. Baka yun ang opening mo. Hindi pwedeng, hi, good morning. Ito, this is the business proposal. Diba? Hindi pwede. Sa type 5, gagana yun. Paano ba gumagana yung business? Step 1, step 2, step 3. Okay, game. Got it. Okay. Type 6 is the idealist. or devotee. Ito yung mga loyal, committed, di na nila naintindihan pero laban pa rin. It's also important to have this in your team. Actually, that's why I like this topic very much. Because as a team, like what Mrs. Bautista talked about, di ba? Our Crown Diamond. Yung sinabi niya, being in a team is not kasi nagbuo ka lang ng barkada. Being in the team, you need all these types. Kailangan meron kang cheerleader. Meron kang very loyal to the cause. Marunong siyang mag-inspire. Hindi lahat ng tumayo dito sa stage, napapalakpak kayo. Diba? So meron yung pagkatapak pa lang niya sa stage, pumapalakpak ka na kasi gusto mong pakinggan siya, gusto mo yung style ng pagsasalita niya. But witness, yun nga, nagiging over. Okay? Type 7 is the perfectionist. Very ritualistic. Ito, you like the order and structure. So, if your businesses are failing, maybe you lack someone who's doing the proper accounting. Diba? Karamihan ng businesses, yan ang problema. Si type 7 ang kailangan mo. Si type 7, very organized. Kailangan may timing lahat, kailangan tama lahat, kailangan delinya lahat. Siyempre, ang weakness, very perfectionist. Hindi pwedeng gumana yan kung may kulang. So, you have to fix this na meron at meron may strength na very linear. Ito yung mga kailangan sumunod tayo sa batas. Sumunod naman tayo sa batas. Huwag mo nang paikutan yan. But there are certain things that you can overcome by thinking out of the box. I mean, that's what the guerrilla knight is. Hindi siya, di ba, pagka, if you think of the medieval battle, may rules. So, bakay kayo ng kabayo, ito lang ang linyang pwede mong sundan, isang tuhog lang. That's it. Pero being a guerrilla, you know how to fight. You know how to hide. You know where to climb. You know how the terrain works. Now, bakit siya type 8? The last one is actually an integrated leader of leaders. It has to be an integrated group of you guys. Bawat isa sa inyo, hopefully, meron 1 or 2 or 3 or even 4 types of these traits. Why? Not because you're an engineer, you're a doctor, okay na, wala kang alam sa marketing, hindi ka na artistic, hindi ka na loyal, hindi pwede. So, the reason why I picked this when they asked me to come for you, I always was thinking, ang mahirap sa marketing or ang mahirap sa pagbenta is minsan hindi natin kilala yung kausap natin. So before you get out to battle, prepare mentally for yourself. Know who you are among this, what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses. Focus on strengths. Pabayaan nyo muna yung weaknesses. And do some research of the person you're going to talk to. Hindi pwedeng pagdating doon, magkakagulatan na lang kayo. Sino pa siya? Ano pa siya? Guys, may Google, may Facebook, may Instagram, may TikTok. Kung alam nyo mahilig mag-TikTok, like nyo muna yung TikTok niya. Sabihin nyo, follower nyo siya. Sabihin nyo sa kanya, ano yung favorite video nyo sa kanya. Then that will break the ice. Diba? So again, I think this is what I wanted to share. Next. For closing, these are the 2 questions you have to ask. What type of salesperson are you? Hanapin nyo muna your strengths, weaknesses, and are you the right salesperson engaging the right client? Maybe you could ask a teammate, pwedeng tanungin nyo yung kasama nyo dito sa grupo, ikaw ang kumausap nito. Kasi ito ang style niya. Kagaya mo yung style niya, kagaya niya kayo, di ba? So, focus on where your strengths are and just focus on that. Do not think that because you're not an artist or you're not a great communicator, di na kayo yung pwede. Hindi, hanapin nyo yung strengths mo. Eh di doon lang kayo. That's how battles are won. You pick the landscape. You even pick, lagyan nyo na ng bias. Imbitahin nyo sila dito sa House of Gilas. Teritoryo nyo na to eh. Huwag na kayo maghanap ng ibang coffee shop na iba. Dito na kayo, teritoryo nyo, kilala nyo pa lahat ng nagsisilbi sa inyo, boss na boss ang dating mo, then baka siya mapalagot nyo. Diba? So always try to examine this. Be the right salesperson for that right client by knowing yourself and knowing your client. Again, maraming salamat po sa pakikinig and congratulations to the 14th year of Manila Night.
Yes, yes, yes.